Hello everyone, I'm Yoshida. It's a tragic situation right now, and it had great impact on everyone's life, including myself. In particular, the dental industry has been greatly affected. It's been more than 4 weeks since I started quarantine. No one knows if we will be able to return to the same state as before when we get back to the work. One thing is I can say for sure, people will pay less for extra things. We will face tougher competition than ever before. We all require to create higher than quality products. So every day's work, we should use reliable high quality materials and stay with simple techniques. As you may already know about this, but I would like to share with you some ideas that I use every day in my work with CGR FC paste stain. Here is a Kurare Noritake CGR FC paste stain. There are 4 different grade material in this kit. Clear glaze, glaze, value, and fluoro. I prepare 5 zirconia crowns with HTML A1 shade. No color was applied to the crown surface in order to accurately verify the glaze materials differences. From left, no stain. Just wet the surface with internal stain liquid. Second is clear glaze, glaze, value, and fluoro. Let's check with clear glaze compared with glaze. The difference is in between these two is very minimal. The color is glaze side is a little bit darker. However, it can be said that difference between two is within the accepted range. Clear glaze versus value. You can see a clear color difference between the two. One look brighter and the color appear less chroma. It feels like the entire surface is covered with a slightly whitish opaque filter. The graph in the top row shows the change in value. You can see the value has increased in all 3 areas. Also, it is necessary to understand that the overall chroma becomes decreased. As you can see from this verification, this material should be used to preserve the value of a bleaching shade and a brighter shade such as A1, B1, and 1M1. Clear glaze with fluoro. The difference in color is almost within the range of measurement error, and it can be said that there is no clinical problem for this shade. As you already know, this material itself is not have a fluorescence. Similarly, the 2 glaze materials, clear glaze and glaze, almost no fluorescence. The shade material have some fluorescence. Amount of level of fluorescence is differences depend on the color. Therefore, in normal use, this shade material's fluorescence is maintained even after covered with a translucent glaze material, as shown in this slide. However, when I can create the anterior teeth, I try to use the fluoro to the final glaze to get the fluorescence same level as the natural teeth. This case was made by only XC paste stain with STML-MW shade. The overall base shade I was used Marmelon number 1. As this kit, each shade was named so we can place order. We can visually check the color so you don't get confused by the name and just apply the color as you see it to the place you want. The area of white classification, simply use white. Just careful to apply white stain with a soft graduation to look natural. Glaze was used to fluoro to obtain fluorescence. The final result shows blending with entire arch. These small tips helps you a little bit. I wish you and your families are safe and healthy. Also, I hope this situation will be over as soon as possible. Until then, all we can do is stay home. So please stay at home. Hope see you soon, guys. Thank you. Bye.